Rajiv Kumar Meena, Vizag Police Commissioner, joining us on this broadcast. Sir, can you get us the latest updates that are coming in from Visakhapatnam on the rescue and evacuation operation?
Yeah, morning, ma'am. That already this rescue operation is over.
Supposed to have been maintained. Something went wrong somewhere. That's a matter of investigation. But fortunately, it's not a lethal kind of a gas. It's only that high doses of intake of it may lead to, fatalities. But so therefore, it's not of that kind of a serious concern. Then so far about almost 800 people were evacuated in the morning to various hospitals. Those who were critical were taken to the KGH hospital, the general hospital at Vizag. And so far the total casualties is 8, which has been confirmed. Out of that,
Many have lost consciousness. There are reports that
yes,
varying
yes.
200 to 2,000. There are many.
Many people initially, breathlessness, and then, some of them lost their, I won't say consciousness, yes. Yeah, because gasping and then disorientation. Some disorientation was there. So right now everything has been neutralized. The neutralizing agents were also sprayed. There was a lot of water spray being sprayed in the village so that quickly that whatever remnant gases are there, that could be, disintegrated. One of the antidote is water. So drinking a lot of water, spraying of water is also one of the antidotes. So as of now, it's all normal. Situation is normal. Around 800 were there, but then many have been discharged. About 240 odd of them are still in the hospital. And I think in that the critical ward, about 20 of them are under ventilation and the oxygen support. Because again, oxygen is something which again...
Sir, why weren't the safety protocols taken care of?
So that's a matter of investigation now. We will be investigating how did this happen. So our Honorable CM has also ordered for an inquiry. Our teams are already on the ground, but special teams, forensic teams from Vijayawada is also being sent there to investigate that.
Sir, why was permissions given to such a company, sir?
Sorry?
Why and how the permissions are given to them?
Well, see, this is an old company of 1966, dating back to 1966, so it's not a new company as such.
Okay.
So then this village has emerged around it. Mostly people who are working in that company, they have set up their houses, and then the village over a period of time emerged. So it's not that company being given a new permission. It's a very, very old. It's an old company, and it's a company which now it's taken over by LG, and they were maintaining very strict protocols. But then how it happened? It's an accident. To what extent we can fix, responsibility? That's a matter of investigation at the moment.
Sir, are you suspecting any increase in casualties?
At best maybe 1 or 2. We were in touch with our Honorable CM was also constantly in touch just before he left. The report which he received and was something like at best maybe 1 or 2 more casualties could be, because it's under control and contained. So all the cases which are in the hospital, it's not really critical. Maybe 1 or 2. There seems to be still, under the critical stage. Yeah. Thank you. Huh?
Where we heard what the officer had to say. He said the situation has currently been contained, but unfortunately the reports that coming in suggest that at least 5,000 people are currently struggling, in which 170 people have been admitted with several complications, including breathlessness and vomiting. Many of them who have fallen unconscious as well, and 20 of them are critical. That's the information that we get. Let's quickly go over to Anusha Tupla, joining us live from Vizag. Anusha, please bring us in on the details. We know that this situation in Vizag is right now contained. The gas leak has been contained, but the overwhelming, the situation that prevails right now, this grim atmosphere, we're finding it very hard to digest how people there are reacting to this. We know that that entire village has been evacuated. 3,000 people have been moved out. the evacuation is still on. 5,000 people in that vicinity are currently affected on the whole. What more details do we have if you could bring us?
Yes, so Vizag city today woke up with a great shock. A lot of people were feeling were unconscious, and reportedly the gas leak started around 2:30 a.m. From LG Polymers plant at RR Venkatpuram near Nayak Tota in Vizag, and when people when the gas leak started, it started affecting the people and the nearby areas. People starting feeling unconscious. They fell unconscious. There were so many visuals coming out from the nearby areas that people were immediately shifted to KGH hospital. People reported symptoms like skin irritation, vomiting, stomachache, and other symptoms. And reportedly, among 1,200 people were fallen sick and immediately shifted to the nearby hospital. And among the 1,200, 6 people, including 2 kids, were reportedly died today in this tragic incident. The Industrial Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Mekapati Gautam Reddy, immediately rushed to the rescue operations and informed that the helpline. They even started a helpline to assist the rescue operations. And the minister also informed that the rescue operations are underway, and he asked people to cooperate and not to get panic because of this tragic incident today in Visakhapatnam. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy also started from Amravati to visit the patients affected by the gas leak tragedy in Vizag today. He is heading towards Vizag. He just started some time back, and he will be visiting King George Hospital in Visakhapatnam, and we will meet all the affected patients from gas leak tragedy. And the rescue operations are still underway, and the minister has informed that the situation is a bit under control, and the people staying in nearby areas are being evacuated. Many of the family members staying in those areas have moved to safer places. To some people have shifted to their relatives' place, and even though the government is saying that the situation is under control, nearby residents are quite panicked and are really worried that what exactly happened in the situation. Whereas former Andhra CM Chandrababu Naidu has written to Piyush Goyal and Dr. Harshvardhan to send medical experts from across India and world to treat the gas leak patients because he is fearing that this may affect to health, to lung issues, and also affect the COVID patients as well. And he is also, Chandrababu Naidu is also asked to launch an immediate inquiry in this. And this is not the first time that Vizag has witnessed such kind of gas leak tragedies. Reportedly, according to the reports, there has been a case going on this company regarding the closure of the company. The company has been asked to close.
Right. Anusha, we're going to patch you back on the line. We understand that this is a situation at hand for the Andhra Pradesh government to deal with. Several central officers have also intervened. NDRF teams currently right now pressed into action for the evacuation. 3,000 people have been moved out. 5,000 people at least have been affected by this. The death toll only seems to be mounting. We're going to go back to Anisha in just a little while. We're going to slip into a short break. We'll be back with more.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.